For heavy cooking in a big family kitchen, a high cubic feet per minute hood is essential to control heat, grease, and odors. Start by sizing the hood to match the cooktop width, so capture is complete. Measure the cooktop and plan a hood that is at least as wide and mounted at the manufacturer recommended height, usually between 24 and 30 inches for most ranges, to balance capture and clearance. Choose a high cubic feet per minute hood rated for the type of cooking you do and err on the side of higher flow for frequent stir-frying, searing, and long simmering stews. For precise planning, calculate required flow by multiplying cooktop burner British thermal unit output by a capture factor or consult with a ventilation specialist for load-based sizing. Upgrade the ducting to rigid metal with the fewest elbows and the shortest straight runs possible, keeping duct diameter consistent to maintain static pressure and prevent noise and performance loss. Include makeup air size to replace the exhausted air to avoid negative pressure in the house, using a dedicated makeup air system or an integrated makeup air damper linked to the hood so doors do not slam and combustion appliances remain safe. Install a variable speed fan controller so you can run high flow for heavy cooking and low flow for everyday tasks, reducing noise and energy use while preserving performance. Add practical features like integrated task lighting set at color temperatures from 3000 to 4000 Kelvin for accurate food prep, and use stainless steel baffle filters that are easy to remove and clean to maintain grease control and airflow over time. The most common mistakes are undersizing the hood, which leaves heat and odors in the room, so select a hood at least as wide as the cooktop and rated for higher flow. Using flexible foil or too many elbows in duct runs, which kills performance, so replace with straight rigid metal ducting and smooth transitions. And skipping makeup air, which creates negative pressure and backdrafts, so provide a properly sized makeup air source or a balanced ventilation approach tied to the hood. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can design and install high cubic feet per minute hoods and proper duct systems for large family kitchens, and we help contractors find project leads in their area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share project photos, installation tips, and real-world troubleshooting.